Hi, my name is Hissa Rashid, and this one is my Excel sheet from our project. I am part 1, and my question is how many hours do you spend on social media per week? I just selected and copied the data from my survey, which is 35 students in Iraq Women Campus, and their answers here. I create a simple table. Okay, and I edit the answers because it's like I take the average of the I take the midpoint here for this answers and this one, and make my data more easier. Then I select only the hours spent on social media, and I create my frequency distribution table by clicking here. Then this will show up. I take the students for rows and the hours spent on social media for values. Here I edit the type of calculation by choosing count, not sum, count, and this will show up. Okay, that's my my frequency distribution table. Then I take the hours spent on social media and make a different simple table here to help me create the graph here. So I selected this table and go to insert and insert the table that will help me show my data like clearly. I choose this one and then like play with the layout here. Add titles, add different title here and here. So this one is my frequency distribution table. Here my graph or my chart with the conclusions